welcome again, everybody. How's it going? Today we're going to talk about chrome pens, chrome paint, silver paint. When you're doing a custom, what is the best thing to use and what is available out there? So this is an example of me using Molotow chrome pens. They call it a liquid chrome. I love this stuff. I use it all the time for restoring my toys, and I also use it for doing customs. And you can see here I've customized a polar bear for my Sky Patrol guys and used some of the colors from Sky Patrol to make it look like it blends in. You'll see it's got a really nice, almost a mirror shine. Not quite exact like vac metal chrome, but pretty amazing. I love it. The only thing is with this stuff is you have to make sure that when you apply it, you need to wait at least, I like to wait at least 3 weeks so that when you touch it, it does not put your fingerprints in them or make the chrome not quite as shiny. So these are the chrome pens. I'm going to give you another tip about these chrome pens too. There are different sizes, different size tips on them for doing fine work. You have this one here, and then you've got a tip, I think it's 3 millimeters, and you've got a tip that's 5 millimeters. When you're covering it, you make sure that you start on one side of your piece and you go all the way to the other side without stopping, because this stuff tacks up really quickly. And if it starts drying and you go back over it, or you miss a couple spots, you don't have enough lighting to see what you're doing, because it's not really self-leveling, and it will show in the final product. So here you'll see a comparison of real chrome on metal, and then you have a figure there that I've spray painted with spray paint chrome, which doesn't look like chrome at all, but I use him on display, make it look like he's frozen in ice. Then you have a 2000s Destro with not quite the same chrome as you'll see here on the 80s Destro, which is I always found to be the best chrome. And then you also have a custom here that I did, and this is again using the Molotow liquid chrome, and it looks really good. If you saw my first video on my YouTube channel, you'll know why he doesn't have the correct head. That's a custom that I did. And then we have side by side the two Battlestar Galactica Cylons. The one on the right has been touched up by chrome pen, the one on the left is just as it was. So just a little comparison there. If you like what you see here, please subscribe, leave some comments, and take care.